Chris! The Chris! How many times will I warn you? You the Chris? See, make I tell you something. If you cap anyhow now, I go blow you short. I swear. Make I yarn you. Now length with day. I go turn you to arches.
What happen for you now? Babe. You be like say Popo don't Popo your sister. As we talk like this safe, they don't reach quickly. Popo don't Popo your sister like this.
What's us? I'm not supposed to reach like this, so I guys go help my sister.
Why big the Chris? Where you think say they go? No, they use your head. As your head big rich, no, they use them. You know, as they clap your sister, if you enter there, they will clap them. They involve us. You go involve us. No, they use your head.
What's us? You go use your tongue count your teeth today.
I don't lose count today. I don't know.
Wait till you pull your weapon from my body now. You won't shoot me. Oh yeah, shoot!
No, they go and do what?
What's up? Kick him! Beat him, where? Kick him, Yash! Beat him! In the crates for head, no get respect. The crates, but do the try. Kick him again! Idiot! No get respect.
The crates. Your mind touch my woman, Bobby. The crates. Don't push you. Come on, get down!
Instead they look me, instead they look me, they plan I want to.
The Chris.
Idiots. No get respect.
The Chris. Your mind they touch my woman, Bobby.
Hey. No be smart enough, but you all smash yourself fast. Oh, this one too is bad. What kind of nonsense is this now? It's just stressing my life. I don't even have money to replace it.
Oh. Hey. Baby, God has finally answered our prayers. Our lives is about to get jiggy, about to get to the next level. Hey! Chuk walking there. Ha! Thank God, oh! Thank you, Almighty God, oh! Chuk working Hey! Baby, something new is about to happen in our life. Our life is about to get jiggy. Jiggy, jiggy.
What is it now? The way you just came out, you just scared me. What is it? I thought you received a call that Zaram is in trouble again. What's your problem now?
Hey, baby, wait now. My love, you know I love you beyond distance and time.
Please, wait, stop it. I know when you want to patronize me. It means something is up. It's about Zaram, right? Tell me she has killed someone. Tell me she has killed someone.
Are you for real?
Can't I have my peace?
Baby, far from Zaram and trouble. Eh? Come on, baby. Okay, you remember that my boss, Mr. Ajibade, he just called me and said I should meet him up in Lagos. That we are leaving for South Africa in 3 days. Amazing! Amazing!
Okay, are you joking?
I'm not joking, baby. No joke. For real.
But I was just making your birthday dress.
Birthday dress, what? Birthday dress? How, baby girl? More birthdays are to come, but this is a golden opportunity for us to embrace.
I don't understand you. I don't understand you. You always joke about something very serious, and I'm not comfortable with it.
I'm not joking now. I'm saying I'm happy. I'm excited. Come on, baby.
But you don't look like someone. Please. I beg. See, stop it now. What is it?
Baby, cheer up now. Something would happen to us. By SO, South Africa, Josie level. Money don't show.
You're going to South Africa and so? Okay, get out. Let me. It's not even working.
How will it work when there is no money to repair it? But money will come out. The Lord has done it finally.
Allow me to talk.
I don't. You have a party. Let's go and celebrate.
Oh, you're holding something, oh. You're holding something, oh.
I am focused, sir. Okay, sir. It's okay. As we speak, I am working on the business plan. Alright, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Once I'm done, I'll get back to you. What is it now? What is it?
Can you just focus on your job? That's more important to you. So, you have made up your mind to go to South Africa.
Come on.
Don't!
Focus.
Did they just leave me? Stop following me. What is it?
I'm going to miss you too. It's not easy for me. You know I can't live without you. But this is a golden opportunity. I can't miss out on it. Oh, just see reasons with me.
Oh, please. Abeg, what is it? You don't have to lecture me. I'm not a baby. I will kill you myself if you abandon $1 million opportunity just to prove your love to me.
Now you come. You understand the assignment.
But you know now, if you're not around, it will make things worse. Your absence will make things worse for me.
Maybe I understand, okay? I understand, but I'll just be gone for a few months. I'm back. I'm back like a big boy.
You'll be gone for a few months, Abi?
Just few months now, tore down. Then I'll get you some weeks. If a gold, South Africa, they have gold now. I'll raise down this house. Go to Onya, lost something befitting for us. Just like you want it. I am messing a cash.
But Dede,
that have arrived.
Please, see. Zaram doesn't need a few months before she destroys herself finally. She doesn't.
Can you just leave Zaram alone? I mean, are you not tired of fighting with her? That one we do.
So you want to blame me now, Abi? You want to blame me? I don't understand. Just last week we sold our car just to pay 1 million naira fine to put Zaram off prison. What is it? See what I'm saying?
Come now, come. Don't.
Everything will sass. I can't say our sass place and the people now sass place and they go think of sign you. All the time to make us stop. You know they will die on nonsense boyfriend, but I mean I do na rubbish one I do. Never respect yourself.
Of our beauty, but it's gone because of Inamo's beauty of us. I love your jumbo, I love your jumbo, I love your jumbo, baby, more and more, baby, more and more. I love your jumbo, I love your jumbo. love your charm, love your charm, baby more, baby more. Your beauty is inside. I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. You are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your charm.
Zara, why are you such a useless girl? Have I not warned you against sleeping outside? Where are you coming from?
Hey, hold on there. What's happen, Seth? What's happen? See, don't they call me useless again. Respect yourself, don't they call me useless again. Don't you carry my excuse money to go flex. Now you dare you talk anyhow.
Saram, will you shut up your mouth? You dey mad? Why are you insulting Papa? Why are you talking to him like that?
Who be Papa? You dey talk whether you dey mad. No. What even happen, Seth? Kede? What happen? You know what? I don't have all this nonsense. Hey, Zaram this, Zaram that. I say them because of say the word they spoil. What happen? Hey, talk to me anyhow. See, especially you, Kene. You don't get there from say, you lawyer, you get respect. Me never call you better pikin. See, make I warn you. No, they shook your nonsense mouth for my matter again. Respect your old age. No, they put your nonsense mouth for my mouth. Which kind of nonsense beyond this one now? Look this man when he sit down here so. I even tell my papa. No. Look this man from head to toe. I ain't tell my papa because if my mama make mistake, me and this person when sit down here so. Who they supposed to call useless? Will you shut up your mouth? Are you mad? Shut up! Don't talk to Mama like that. Who be Papa? Are you mad? Who be Papa? I go slap you. Your Papa not my Papa. You don't get respect. Who? Slap who? You go slap me. I go put my hand and look you. Imagine you. I can't shut up your mouth. Why you want to talk to Mama like that? I know that. Why you don't kill my Mama? Don't do that. Do your work. I talk to you. Yes, so. Rubbish. Papa! You two of them. Make una let us know, make I know how to dey collect. Wait, shut your mouth! Is that bad? Papa! Papa, wake up! Papa! I'm gonna be called. It's not breathing! Damn, it's not breathing! Ekene, what is wrong with you now? Why have you not shown my clothes?
Mother Joy.
Oh, you want to ruin my traditional marriage, my special day.
Mother Joy, see. A lot has been happening in the
Please
family.
keep that to yourself, I beg you.
I go swamp. See, Mother Joy, once I just wash finish, tomorrow morning, tomorrow morning, I'll give you your clothes. Calm down. Now why you dey shout anyhow for my house?
I go wait till tomorrow morning before I go get my marriage, my special day. Is that what you are telling me?
Mother Joy, not all this thing when you dey talk, so I will give you your clothes. Tomorrow morning, I go swamp.
I know the way you talk, you want my marriage.
Don't worry now, I tell you say I go.
Officer, this is her. This is Kene Zaram Eda's sister. She knows her whereabouts. Arrest her.
Yeah.
Young lady, are you Saram's sister?
Officer, what has Zaram done again?
Where is your sister, Saram?
I don't know where she is right now.
Hey!
Hey! Officer, arrest her!
Okay. What is going on?
Your wife's younger sister Zaram and her bad ex beat up my husband to the point of death.
Hey!
Officer, is there not something
arrest her!
Arrest her? I don't understand.
Arrest.
Officer, waiting for arrest her now!
Officer, see, she came in a few minutes ago. She entered the room and left just like that. Officer,
Officer, she don't stay for this herself.
I want to see your sister. Provide your sister for me.
Your wife and her gang beat my husband to the point of that. He's telling me to pay.
No, officer, and my wife it is. Officer, no, she can't go.
Let's go.
Officer, don't carry her.
We must go together.
Let's go.
Make we lock house.
Let's go. No, Wava, if you eat outside, we know how.
No, wait, officer, will they come? May we dress up?
No, we are not doing our work like that. Let's go. Let's go.
You can't come
Let's
like
go
this.
together. Wait, let me lock the gate. No, you can't go alone, no.
How do I run this matter? How I want to run this barrel. Only one color there. Only one color there. And this deal too big now for one color now. It's too big for one color now. It's too big for one color now. I want to run this barrel.
What did you expect? May don't travel because of a kelebe. I tell me no run into that guy. You beat and bluff for your mouth.
Dikeh. You know they use your brain. What did they say? Person touch my woman properly. That bastard touch my woman properly. He say my furia. What did that nigga deserve not to die you? Make I hear you. What are they hear you now? I eat you. What did that nigga deserve not to die?
Wait.
Make I tell you, nobody triumphs my capability and remain the same. Jagaban, this matter no one discuss am again.
Cinema. So our D cast now because of woman. Everybody they run a tasketa now. All your road dog, all your arubad, everybody don't travel because of woman.
My woman is not just woman. Wash your mouth.
Oh, your call.
I go smoke you. I don't want you rich, Joe.
You know I don't do my body. They can't tell me, Joe. What did they happen here? I don't speak my mind. I don't tell you after the fee. I don't speak my mind. You're going to run. That's going to go. What's kind of day?
You're going to do the camps now. What's the sub now? I go smoke the sub for you now.
I'm not the best to the dance. You.
I go smoke
Calm
down.
No, you know what the fuck, Joe.
Stop now the pianting. I see they happen. I just me now.
You said for you. You go there announce say you want the machine.
No, you not tell me say I will carry around. They will come cause say you dey. I say you worry this one.
Hope nobody followed you.
I be small pikin. If I pianting, they go and make sure say I look at environs. Guy, you know they trust me again. Anyway, how far our deal is this up?
Zaram, you everywhere be now. I no go yarn you. Look now, they want yarn you now. Na yaiti. All of us need to dey low key. We no go need to do any galalana till everywhere melele. And the way you be at the yarn you now. They yarn me. They yarn me.
Because I'm not deaf. I don't hear you.
Beautiful.
Oh, your call.
Everywhere I need to dey melele before we go galala.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty. But it comes because of the most beauty of us. Yeah. I love your chapel. I love your chapel. I love your chapel. Baby, wanna.
Didi, you actually got this place for us.
Yes, I did. And I hope you like my sense of the beddings, the bedsheet, you know, the curtains. Though I will still put other things on the wall, at least to beautify it more.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Can I? Did you remember the first time I met you? You were multitasking, doing two things at a time. helping Zaram and helping the other man down the street with his vegetable store.
Yes, I remember. But you thought I was crazy, taking on so much.
No. I thought you were the most strongest and selfless woman I have ever met. Then I realized you deserve something better.
Didi, I think you have to stop. You don't have to keep doing things on your own.
I want to. Kene, I want to be that man that will do everything you've ever dreamed of. Everything you've always wanted. All you have always worked for. I want to be the man that will make it all happen for you. Baby, this is not just walls, window, and a roof over our head. But it's a promise. A promise that no matter how tough life gets, we have a place we will call ours. A place we can build something beautiful. A place we can create amazing memories. A place we can make our lives awesome, away from chaos and pains.
Didi, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just...
Baby girl, you don't have to say much. Just say you won't stop dreaming with me. Please.
This is true love that sees beyond the skies. It sees beyond our mistakes. It sees beyond our background. This is true love that sees beyond the skies. This is love. This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty. But it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your jammer. I love your jammer. I love your jam, baby, more. Baby, more. I love your jam. I love your jam, baby, more. Oh, baby, I love your jam. I love your jam. I love your jam, baby, more. Oh, baby, I love your jam. I love your jam. I love your jam, baby, more. Baby, more. Your beauty is inside. I just wanna get inside. Give me a chance to enter. Anytime you call, I go answer. Cause you want more than a million to me, baby. You are morning star. You have a good heart. I love your jamo. I love your jamo. I love your jam. Baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your jam. I love your jam. Baby, more and more.
It's so beautiful.
This is our first kiss in this building. Let us always remember this moment, our symbol of love. Love you, baby.
I love you too.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of Ilove's beauty of us. Yeah. I love your jamo. I love your jamo. I love your jam, baby.
What kind of thing is this? I'm just feeling very miserable right now. What is it? I don't know what. God, what
is it now? What happened?
I don't just know the offense I have committed that God keeps punishing me like this. I don't know why my life is in so much pain. I'm just miserable. I'm just frustrated, and I don't know. I'm just tired.
What's wrong with you? I just asked a simple question. I mean, you're getting yourself all worked up and being negative about it. Answer my question. What happened?
This is why I keep having issues with you, because you don't just treat me like a woman. What is it?
Hi. Bana, you are so unassuming. I swear to God. You're so unassuming. What's wrong with you? Simple question, you're turning into banter. How? I don't understand. Eh? What's wrong with you? I mean, I just trekked some 20 kilometers back home after an unsuccessful job hunt. So what I need now is cold bath, food, and some soft cuddle from a woman. That is if you have lifted the ban on my conjugal right.
Dede, you're a child, Dede.
I agree.
That's why you never see things my way. To you, I am not just significant. That's why you keep talking about having my body when you know I am deeply hot. Dede, why are you doing this to me? Why?
Zaram said it. Zaram said it. She complained too. She said you're so unreasonable and selfish. That is what you are. Yes. Rubbish. Mad. Ekona. Don't even rise like bread. You know, magic. I just want you. I'm having a bad day. I'm having a bad day. Nagging woman. You did what that film that year? Nagging woman, not in head.
JJ, I cannot stand Zaram's behavior in this house. She's so disrespectful and selfish.
Can you just calm down? Okay? You just put yourself together. I mean, just give her some time. She's going through rough patches. I mean, she doesn't mean it. I mean...
Oh, this is what you can say, right? No, tell me, this is what you can say, defending her. Do you have eyes for my sister? Tell me!
That's ridiculous. Can you just listen to yourself? Why would you ever think of such a thing?
Because you keep defending her. Dede, every time you keep defending this girl, I put this family together and she tries to ruin everything.
Will you just shut up your mouth? She's your sister. She's your blood. Yes, this too shall pass for her. Let's give her some time.
And I don't care if she's my sister. She should learn to comport herself. She should compose herself. What is her problem? I am getting irritated.
Will you shut up your mouth? Look at how you're talking about your sister. You can't give your sister little time. She's going through rough patches. That is life. Sometimes it's like that. Everything is not just smooth all the time. Give her some breathing space.
I don't blame
Let her be.
You have eyes for my sister. It's very obvious. You're
very crazy. You're very stupid. I'm telling you, you're very stupid for saying such a thing. Rubbish. Look at what you're thinking. I'm ashamed of you for looking at them. Rubbish.
I don't blame you too. I should continue thinking dirty, no problem. In this house, you're not going to have peace in this house. What kind of rubbish is this? What's your problem?
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. Baby, more and more.
I will have to do what I have to do. I'm not keeping you. I will have to do this. Yes. No, I'm sorry. I have to do this. Every time from one problem to the other. You go this angle, problem. You go that angle, problem. Abambo to nowhere, boy to nowhere. On a buso we kakolapi. Problem everywhere. I love you and you know it now. But you wouldn't say reasons with me. But I will have to do this. My future first. Future before anything. Future.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty.
What do you look for? Wait till man tell you, this place where you come now, no go area. As you come, you don't come. Hey, do like this. Why they do like this now? Calm down, madam.
Try to calm down, nobody they come.
And they all know they do me like this. You did me for bad side. This do myself, but they do you don't make sense. So.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Power.
See, go outside. Go outside, go sit down.
Shit!
I said this one carry tuberculosis.
No call me, no call me. Go outside. Enter where? How they see you, they will do all those things they do. So that if you do anyhow, if you just leave one hand.
See, don't try that thing again from here. I will blow you. You dey mad? She said like, yeah, like your pals.
Life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you keep and. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. wanya. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto. Everybody is suspect here in the ghetto. Life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep them well.
What's it? Huh? Are you okay? Zaram! What kind of nonsense is this? Zaram!
I'm sleeping.
Zaram!
I want to sleep, so just leave me alone.
Senior man, I know they dread normally, so I gotta talk my mind as it be. Now 2 weeks we already hide for here now. Now love we go chop.
Wait till they yarn self. Jagaban, I don't warn you before. I don't yarn you before. Say we no go fit do any galala till everywhere melele. I never tell you before. Wait till they walk yourself. You no get ear.
On this thing get us be me you check on, it no make sense. Now because you run a tie, you blow full mouth. Now we delay our parole.
The curse. How many times will I warn you? You the curse? See, make I tell you something. If you cap anyhow now, I go blow you short. I swear. Make I yarn you. Now length will day. I go turn you to arches.
What happen for you now? Babe, You like say popo don't popo your sister. As we dey talk like this sef, they don't reach quick. Popo don't popo your sister like this.
What's us? I'm not supposed to reach like this, so I guys go help my sister.
Why big the grace? Where you think say they go? No, they use your head. As your head big reach, no, they use them. You know, as they clap your sister, if you enter there, they will clap and they involve us. You go involve us. No, they use your head.
Osas, you go use your tongue count your teeth today.
I don't lose count today. I don't know.
Wait till you pull your wife up my body now. You won't shoot me. Oh, yeah, shoot!
No, they go and do what?
I no dey understand wetin dey happen for you. Now two go dey calm down. See, na the phone wey I collect with this, so I don't wey concern me. Na the one wey concern me, I will do it.
Bad guy. So after my warning, you know they hear word. Why am I blow you short? Did they crazy? I say make everybody dey on low for now.
You go dey on low, but no shopping doing first. You go dey calm down. Hope you there they play love just like the shopping doing. No shopping doing.
No life.
Yeah, job gone. We dey together. Relax.
Let me tell you something wey you no know. Half bread is better than none.
Hey, but my shopping doing first. You understand?
Madam, wake up! Wake up! What's in the shot for my ear like this now? Person not go rest for you.
Hey, Baba, what's in the house?
I don't know. You be like say this Greek fuck. You be like say nowhere. Why you the shot for my ear now? You see me, I tell you. See that door you see, so nobody go carry you come out from. Nobody go carry you from here and go out. Why they disturb me now?
Wait, you sure say this girl no be Obanja because since when you go here, that's when she starts playing this game.
Make I tell you something.
If you're Obanja,
if she be Obanja, my own big person. See, start the family. Your sister, family.
Don't block me.
Use your hand.
Don't block me. Man, touch me.
Shift. Yeah, family make her hear am.
Okay, they shout.
Beg, bless these people no wan give person food though. These police people, it's like they demand. Me like this, I dey hungry. No, they no dey near me. No dey near me. You shift. They do it. Don't wear.
Mercy. Zara, how far now? Babe. Zara. So, how you go deal with that guy after wetin you do Ebe? My God. Leave Osas, you know one hear word. Your sister is right. Eh? What do they worry you now? Why are they packing my man like that? Which kind of insult be all those ones? I just come here because you know my girl from day one. I come with you, give me small cleanings, make I take, you know, run some kind matters. I remove myself from the castle, I'm like, I put on. I say, help me. You go let me, I be no go help me.
I beg now. Your sister is right. Eh? You have to leave Osas. It's not helping you in any way.
Don't worry now. Why they speak English? I follow you the yarn, they speak English. When they speak English, right? Tell us how to speak English. You know my girl from day one, oh. You go help me, Abi, you no go help me. You know I don't see her now, so you don't make up your mind not to help me. Bye, our moro.
Zaram.
This girl know the year word. Huh? You leave him.
Life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. And if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. And if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep your teeth, if you know keep on well, we go help you keep on.
You, get up. Get up. Get up. Let's go. Move.
You can go.
Thank you, Mom.
My man just told me that your sister has viewed the messages sent to her, meaning that her phone is switched on. You will not call her.
Thank God. At least she's safe now.
Dikeh, you're such an amazing person. Instead of you to be thinking on how to get out of this place, you're concerned about criminals who locked you up here for 2 weeks.
With all due respect, ma. My sister, she's my responsibility. She's not a criminal, she's just stubborn.
Shut up! Shut down your mouth or... Have you seen the man she brutalized? That man is fighting for his dear life. Now, call her or you rot in jail. Put the phone on speaker. You see, your sister is not picking her calls. She has left you to rot in jail, straight to the prison.
No, ma, please. There should be an explanation. You know, she's not a bad person. I think the bad guys are holding her phone.
What explanation are you talking about? Your sister and her boyfriend Osas are criminals. The man they brutalized is suffering for his dear life. That man may not even survive if proper care is not taken.
Ma, please, my sister will not leave me here. Osas has a very big influence on her. Please, you have to help me. Have mercy on me, please.
Dikeh, this is bigger than you. Officer.
Yes.
Take her away until the sister is caught and detained.
Ma, please don't do this. She's not leaving me. Please, ma, please.
Calm down now. Go to relax.
Osas, you know the girl word. I don't teach me leave Zara matter alone. You know why here? This girl go land us for base and we go carry us into Kirikiri. You want to risk everything. Me and your road dog, smack down you Aruba.
Listen, understand everything where they can. But what are they yarn you na yaiti? Now that girl na my babe now. If I know help her, who will stand for her now? Who else she get for anywhere? Not be only me she gets.
Your babe. The same babe will not drag us a different wahala. I want to ask you one question. If the table turn around, she will save you.
See, Osas, I don't understand you. You know the reason for us to be your guy. See that girl, she know what all these things what they do now. She know what time. See that girl don't knife you before and she go knife you again, guy. You dey fuck up now.
Make I tell you something where you don't know. Make I yarn you the yaiti. The yaiti where you no know. No be everything wey palm wine tap and see for up. Now in the talk when they come down. That girl where they see. He gets so many things where she don't do for me. He gets so many times where she don't stand for me. Why I no fit tell you? I know what they do. I wait they tell her too. Na yaiti. Na yaiti.
Cinema. They not say me picking not get big teeth. So if I make you get big clipping, go take closer. As you dey go like this, you do on your own. You see me as smart down. We no fit follow you into kiri because of your love. Osas, think. Now round up with this. Police want expose us.
Osas! Jagaban dey right. Zaram go land into trouble. You dey hear me so?
Come on, Ochi, come your buka cavity before you answer now no pronoun. What do you know? Huh? You wait to bend down the piece. What do you know? Ochi, come your buka cavity. I beg, come on your mouth for this matter. Make men then talk. This talk will be for woman. It dey hear me. It dey hear me.
Osas, this talk na for woman no. Zaram na my friend and I mean they tell you this matter now. The way where they suffer like this now, don't suffer like that before. Calm down.
I said, make you calm down. Come on, shut up. Make men they calm. You said follow the calm. What the worry you said? The crazy.
Senior man, boss, I not feel lose guard you. Based on who I be. Smart down. We deal with you. But I want to clear you something. Not be everybody when we dey in love with now suppose they carry our loyalty for.
Yes.
What do they want to talk safe? What do they talk up and down for yourself? Go you the fuck up. You the fuck up. See me the child listen to your guys now. I know they understand though. You see this matter, we got lay low. We got lay low. We go run am, but not be now. Make we lay low first now. Bros. This na Babylon oh. And you know what they write for book. Now you teach us now. If anything happen now, fuck up, bros.
I don't hear what you on a cab. I don't hear what you on a cab.
It's more cinema.
Boy, apply.
Move ahead. When you kick now, you know you have to make it mad.
Everybody is suspect here in the ghetto. Life in the ghetto. Everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep well. We could help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep.
Zaram, welcome to my house. As you can see, I live here all alone. My wife is late and my only daughter is schooling overseas. You're welcome. Please make yourself comfortable. I have food. I have drink, whatever drink you desire.
Oga, pause and put and break. Wait first. Wait. No. Nobody carry me come here be this. Na serious business carry me come here be this. Oga, make we run now. I beg, as you dey like this, I don't get this time. I don't come here, come chop, but the more just go down to business. Okay, we are come to. Now where you want to be now? Stand. Where your bedroom? Where your room?
I wanted to take you upstairs so you can have a shower.
I don't want back, Oga. That one a long distance thing. I beg, if I won't run out for here, that one too take. Na long matters. Oga, we are make to run now. Come on, all these matters. I need me to put myself for police. What's the way from now?
I have always wanted you. I've tried severally to have you, but you keep on refusing me. How come you're now willing to give me your body just like that?
Okay, I don't want my start for that police cell again. I beg, make we just run this thing. Which style you like? Make I give you. I beg, come do this thing. I know go. How many hours you want take? You just can't do this thing. Make the earlier the better. Okay, I beg. I go that they beg you. More run this thing sharp now. Ha. My turn back. Which one you want?
No.
You don't like this style?
I don't want to do this.
Why? What do you mean?
Please get up.
As how? Okay, I don't understand.
I can't do this.
Okay, I beg, no change your mind though. Okay, I beg. No change your mind. I beg, now only if you save my sister. Thank God I take beg you. Anything when you go for this life, I think I'll take beg you. I beg, no change your mind. My sister they suffer because of me. She didn't say that because of me. Okay, I beg, just help me now, I beg.
I can't do this.
Oh God, I beg now. Why you can't change your... You tell me say you fair won't do since. Eh? No, don't carry myself and give you free of charge. Just do, if you know, just my sister, you go take pay me. No ever give me anything again for this life. Now I'm gonna tell you, beg you, don't change your mind like this now. Oh God, I beg now, I beg.
Move.
Ma, please, why am I here?
We are not afraid, you can go.
I don't understand. Please, ma, do you have my sister now?
No. You are free. And your sister is free too. You can go now.
Ma, please tell me you found my sister, please.
I don't know the strength, you're poor. But the orders came from above. You can go now before you put me in trouble.
Alright. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Let's go.
Life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you. If you know, keep your teeth. If you know, keep on well, we go help you keep on. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. And if you know, keep your teeth. If you know.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's that for that selling? They won't kill me, all those girls. They slap me, beat me, I just control my temper. Ha! Thank you. I'm supposed to tell you thank you. Just not because of me, I make you there inside that place. On a normal, I'm supposed to do the cell. If I don't do it, everything I do, you for no you. So I'm supposed to talk, say thank you. So now still my duty, since I'm a person, and my duty to come on for this. So no reason I don't reach to, my sister.
But I'm going to say you can't release me. If not, only God will tell for my eye for that set. Those girls, they are bone. You see the one grab, you get muscle. One kill me. So I'm not going inside. Don't go back.
Thank you.
This is ghetto, life in the ghetto, everybody is suspect. Here in the ghetto, life in the ghetto, everyone is suspect. And if you know, keep your teeth.
I would have sworn that I saw someone. Is it that Dede did not lock the door? Or someone came in here? What's why you smile muke like that?
Zaram.
You try release your face. As you smile now, you say you be like a better person.
You don't think why I just they think. There isn't so many things. In fact, what I want you now, since make I tell you, since I did this life, I don't calculate, I don't flash back, flash front. I swear, now you be the best thing we don't happen to my life.
Osas, you have sweet mouth, you're sweet mouth there. So you want just begin to whine me. With this my wawa face like this.
No good here.
You too get sweet mouth, Osas. Leave that thing.
You know what? Forget the scar. The scar self even beautiful for my eye. I know if you lie to you. With the idea you na I know if you lie to you. See, make I tell you something. Zarame, I love you from the depth of my heart. You know what's in the hungry me. In fact, don't be say waiting the hungry me, waiting go happen. The best moment where I go figure for this my small life. Now one morning like this, I just wake up. They look beside me, see you just they sleep beside me. For my mind, I carry say, now you go be the mother of my children. You get too sweet me.
So that's you just want the boss man like
too
this.
Sweet me, I swear.
Anyway, I know they tried to me self. I love you too.
My baby. I can't wait for we to leave all this our rough work. Enter better mansion. Enter better mansion.
So that's why you don't see mansion now you go forget me.
See, no, I don't near me for love. all these things where they take for you and they crack my throat.
Kele don't show. Kele don't match Kaban. But you see, Zaram, all the camera one mount for anywhere. Zaram no show now. She don't show. She don't fall out.
You still dey wait for Zara. The same game when they carry our life they play. The same game we put up for all this base all of us they go through for this hammer. Now you dey wait for. Forget that girl, you not here.
Listen. If you are tired of my tactics, the door is wide open for you to leave. You dey hear me? If you don't get tired of my tactics, the door is open for you to leave. In as much as you are here, you must follow my lead. You dey hear me?
Sinoma, the same lead that lead us to where we dey so. That same lead that put up all the base all of us there for this town. Everybody don't run a task, everybody don't travel come up for the area. Because of the lead. What did happen here now? So let me speak my mind.
Oh! Doc, you the crazy. One make I blow you. One make I blow you. The crazy. The talk. You the crazy. What did I worry you now? You know how many years I don't dare to this business before you enter. Let me recruit you. You the crazy. You want why me?
Osas, now your guy be this now. They calm down now. Now length we do. I go lie to you, turn you to ashes, and nothing go happen. Mind the way you talk to me.
Osas, try to calm down. Little as you're both to the hot. Sure?
Osas, this guy now your guy now.
I don't understand.
What's this up now?
No one, no shaking, no one.
What things are coming?
No shaking. He go be.
Go to the hot. Babe, try to calm down. More things are coming. Calm down. I'm here. Mercy is here. I know you guys are hungry, so I'm here.
Oh, your call. Oh, the child now.
Babe, relax. Your blood they hot. True?
I'm happy say you don't back. I've been back for hours. The fact is I don't understand anything. The police just let me go.
I don't know, they just called me and said I should leave. I really don't know who made it happen.
That one no dey important for now. Wetin dey important be say you dey free. Na only that one matter. Leave every other thing.
No, it does matter a lot. 2 weeks in that cell, I felt like 2 years. I need to know the truth. Seriously.
I be your sister, so I gats do what I gats do to make sure say you come out. Only it's when you supposed to be that one, and only that one matter. So more leave on like that.
No, you don't need to shut me up. Please. Did Osas know anything about this?
We feel leave Osas' name right now. I don't want to talk about that guy, I beg. More leave and in there.
So how did it happen? I need to know. How did it happen?
Okay. Hello? Are they here?
She wouldn't even say anything. What's all this? Didi, you promised me. You said you wouldn't leave me. Where are you, Didi? Why are you doing this to me? Didi, why? You said you would always stand by me. Why are you doing this to me? I'm just tired.
Just hold on small, eh? Hold on small. Don't die on me, eh? Don't go die like this, oh, Osas. Osas, relax now. Now let me kill you. Now let me get right to kill you. Don't get me the go. Osas, babe, don't do like this. Osas, know yourself now. Osas, hold on, don't leave me like this now. Osas, wait. Osas, no, Osas, no sleep. Osas, don't leave me like this. Osas, no.
Go. Just go.
No, Osas, I go rather die than to leave you like this.
It don't be already now. Just move. It don't be.
No worry.
It don't be.
Osas, calm down.
It don't
Save your
be.
strength small now. Don't do me like this now. Which can't see me this one now.
It don't be already.
Osas, don't do like this. Respect yourself. Don't do like this. Oh.
Salam, I need water.
No.
Salam, I need water.
Osas, you no go fit drink water. You know
I
say you
need
fit drink water. I'm not like this.
Water.
Osas, relax.
If not the last thing if you give me, just give me water.
Osas, now let me get right to kill you. Don't do like this.
Just give me water, I beg.
Osas, no now. Osas, wait, no. Okay, make I go find person who go help us, eh?
Sarah, we know if we go down together. Just go.
Nobody they go down.
Just go.
We don't go for this one. We don't.
Sarah, just go. I beg. I beg. Just go. I say, may you go.
Make I help you get up. Wait.
I beg.
Osas, make me hide for so
I beg. Just go.
No. Wait. So, just one place, make me name no small. We'll find person help you. No worry.
If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you. If you know keep your teeth, if you know keep and well, we go help you keep and.
Wait. I know they in the mood for all this now. Wait now, sit down well first. Get with your one year in you. Sit down well first, I beg.
Okay.
No, now. I know they in the mood for all these things now. Just sit down well. Maintain your steez. The army. Just maintain your steez. See, I want to ask you something. The way everything they go. The way everything just they go. For your mind, if they ask you, I they act well, like I they do well, based on Jagaban, Zaram, everything, like everything I did. I they see my My reaction.
Wait though. Like, which day start they ask people for second option? Osas. See, Osas where I know, no they ask anybody anything. If they do wetin dey in mind. Now wetin come in mind now they do. So I don't change you. Nothing remains. I don't change everything about you.
At times I go day. I don't think. I don't think so many times. They see and say, your problem no be even me. No be me be your major problem. My mind they tell me say, Nazaram, the jealousy way they jealous Zaram, na be your problem. No be me. Yes, no be my welfare be your problem. Now the jealous way you get for Zara, na be your problem. Now within my mind, they tell me.
Yes. Jealous.
It's clear now.
It's clear. Jealous of Zara. Why? Me. See Osas, abeg, no talk that one. No talk am abeg, no talk. Which kind talk that one now? I'm jealous of Zara. Why? How? See, the only reason why I'm here is because 1, our goals. 2, our street life. Nothing else, not even you. But I'm jealous.
What you know say the yarn? As if say no the yarn. No the yarn. See, Zara way to always the challenge, no be your mate. Zara get mind. Zara don't show walking so many times, no be by church or no be by pink gown and woman hair. Zara na material. She gets so many potentials. But yeah, the young you na yaiti. She gets so many potentials, no be by church or she always dey maintain her steez. You know who be Zara? Zara it is an ordinary name. Zara na household name. No be by church or Zara way the yarn so. Zara don't back me when I dey bleed. When they blow me short. When they knock me short. Zara back me. For long distance. You can't hear the talk rubbish. The yarn rubbish. This is Zara na your mate. Make I yarn you, but you come your buccal cavity, not the mad. In my next world, world, I go still choose Zara over and over again before you. You dey whine me?
Osas, see I know say Zara get mind. Everybody know. Me, I know that one. I know get mind reach Zara. Yes, you win. But make I tell you one thing. Make I clear you. You see, man, no fit save your life if you no use your sense. So which one be Zara?
Okay.
Any matter wey concern Zara, you know they always use your brain. You dey use your heart.
Wait, mine no fit save me. So wetin go save me na pink gown and woman hair. And this big brum wey you carry for back, wey you think say na nyash. Abeg. Nyash no fit save man.
Even though.
Na mind dey save man.
I no go understand you, Osas.
No man, I greet you. Messi, how far?
I do.
I beg, boss, I like to talk to you, I beg. Senior man, I say I beg, I mean, you know, verse. Based on my reaction today, I over-assume. I sit down, I look my left, I look my right. See me, I'm not supposed to guard you. You're not senior man when sabi. I'm not supposed to dull you. So I beg you. No first, I beg. I'd already take your lead. I beg.
Where you are today, I can't ask myself, say, whether your brain dey on vacation or meet and break, wetin can dey happen now? But I dey happy now, say, don't come back to your senses. I don't even call our plug to know whether they add something for the banner way they take. But the guy assured me, say, na normal banner you take. I can't ask, wetin can dey happen now? But it's good as you come back to your senses, meet them break, don't finish. Yes.
Sorry, Baba, no verse.
Yes.
I beg you. I get some pressing concern.
Oh, yeah.
You know, say Zara know our location. So, I refuse he go update better and more change our location if he can go bust up to be on the safer side. We'll just apply dog DT. We'll stay on the low for now.
You make sense. Yes, you make sense. But the sense where you make na nonsense because you know Zara. Did you understand what they yarn you? Because what they want yarn you now na it. They yarn me. Zara can never be a snitch. You don't know what that girl done wrong for me before. You understand?
Yeah, boss.
Zara go prefer to die than to betray us. You understand? That girl get mine die. Na street girl to the core. Believe me, she no fit betray us. No, she get another thing wey worry you, tell me. But if na Zara matter, forget it.
I greet you, Baba. So that this deal won't get for hand, everything go do alright. It go flow. So everybody go do alright.
The deal is done, don't worry yourself.
You're too much.
Let me in charge.
You're too much, Baba.
Mercy. Go room, go wait for me. They hear me.
Yes, where you? Move ahead, cinema the yarn.
Go room, go wait
Move
for
ahead
me.
now. About that woman,
Jealous Sarah. She don't know the sacrifice.
and she don't know if it's jealous, if it's perfect to any green.
Lying on stage now. You know, lying on stage. Family members go to random. Family members go to random. They go pick cut you for her. Never know where she is.
I greet you, my senior man. I the be now.
Let's wait till in my home.
Tell you fresh that today, bread.
I don't know. I still don't know why Dede did not come to see me at the station. No calls, no visits. His phones were switched off. The only thing he sent to me was his voice note telling me that he has traveled to South Africa. Now I'm back. I can't even find him. I don't know if there's something you know about Zara. Please tell me, because at this point I'm confused.
I won't take know where your boyfriend is now. Me, I don't know anything. No.
I don't know. I cannot just get over Dede abandoning me in that cell. Like, why would he do such a thing to me? Saram, you're not looking surprised. Why? Like, is there something you need to tell me? Is there something you know about what's going on?
What I could surprise you? We don't do film. I don't know. You don't fair ask me. And I tell you, say I don't know. Why you define what I want to talk? I don't know.
Sarah, seriously, being in that cell, being abandoned in that cell, made me realize how much we need each other. Sarah, I don't want us to keep fighting. Let's stop it. It's not good for us, please.
We didn't carry you come my side.
My brother, that waka wey you track up and down, I get the AP. But you know, before I go tell you anything, you need give me small time.
That's what you talk the other time. I give you some rubbers. I'm not gonna see you again.
I don't know, you're not saying anything. Zaram, you're not saying anything. Is there something I need to know? Please tell me. Huh?
Kenny. No vex. I did sorry for everything when don't happen to you. And today, I won't make you this promise. I go try everything to make sure say me and you no quarrel or fight again.
Sarah, I'm happy to hear this. Thank you.
Hello? Who be that?
I don't know. Sarah, she didn't even say anything.
I know artists are be so. I never forget how to sew. And besides, you go there to guide me. Anytime when you want, I go help you run now. So calm down. Come on your mind from that guy when he no deserve you. Leave that guy. Make we run now. Make we run the clothes matter.
So you won't help me like this, so?
Don't make me come now. Don't ever talk anything when I don't do.
That's good news. Thank you.
Oh.
Listen. That same person I've been calling you. Why you no one picking call? You just a rejecting call. Why? I've been at your new love interest. Tell me mad you know now.
You too like gossip.
You want me sad to like gossip?
Too like I'm a butterfly. Say be the cry now, your eye don't they shine.
I beg Zara man, no just dey mood. No dey spoil my mood now.
Hey, they cool down. Later you go say that my blood they hot. Me and you hot pass.
Leave my room. Just
But I say if they busy now, my help you scrape am.
Come off from my room, I beg. Just leave. I'm not in a good mood.